Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
是的 Thank you. My name is Teacher Zhang. I'm your English teacher this year. I'm going to say your name, and please say here if you hear your name. Okay, Apple. My name's not Apple, it's Apple. No. You do not correct the English teacher, okay? I study school in America, okay? My English is very good. Your name is Apple, okay? Why your name Apple? Do you like to eat apples? Okay, remind me to change your stupid name. Do not disrespect me again. You understand? Okay, next, Dick. Where are you? 打扰一下老师，我的名字是 Derek. Listen to me. I am older than you. Okay, I go to the best school in America, NYU University. I speak perfect English. Stupid kid. Your name will have the silent R. Okay? Do you understand? Do not question the English teacher. Okay? Got it? 学会了吗? Okay, Dick is here. And Gay. Who is Gay? Hold on. My name is not Gay. My name is Gary. I'm gonna say this one last fucking time. Your name has a silent R too. Your name is Gay. Got it?